Hey guys, this is Kashish Nana Arya working as an intern at Pixel Labs. So today I am going to talk to you about the benefits of Salesforce Community Cloud. So the first thing is that what is Salesforce Community Cloud? Salesforce Community Cloud is a web social platform for companies to form branded sites connecting customers, employees, and partners with one another. It provides them the records and the data they have to accomplish their work efficiently. By streamlining your key businesses, operations, and lengthening them across their departments and offices, everyone who is a component of your business ecosystem can execute his or her at real time, support customers more effectively, and shut deals faster. Salesforce Cloud Community is extremely flexible for any business demand and use case. You can leverage your CRM data by directly connecting together with your community or any third-party system. Overall, the Net Community software gives your company the power to make customized and branded communities for seamless enterprise collaboration and streamlined business processes. So, following are the benefits of Salesforce Community Cloud. First is community creation. Salesforce Community Cloud is an interactive extension of your brand through its easy to use environment. It enables you to customize the answer matching your brand for your online community experience. Integration with business data from any system centralizes customers, workers, and partners to urge their work done. Second is community experience. Automatic recommendations in line with individual needs, behaviors, and interests connect groups, content, and experts for deeper community participation. You will access the community anywhere using the Salesforce mobile app or any mobile browser for delivering the branded device responsive collaboration. The next thing is that accelerate the sales channels for partners. Directly connecting partners, distributors, and resellers facilitate your drive sales. It streamlines the sharing of records, leads, and contacts, integrating with the third-party systems and avoiding the channel conflicts. You will be able to immediately take action in lead conversion and marketing funds approval right within the feed. It also has data sharing and dashboards and reports to make sure the alignment of the goals. Another one is driving the employee productivity and engagement. So the teams are grouped consistently with events, campaigns, or projects to access the relevant information with a structure. By syncing the files into a centralized locations, your employees can easily access the correct files they have in an exceeding context that is embedded along with your core business processes. So, what is the features of Salesforce Community Cloud? The first one is business integration. Second one is personalization, customization, branded community, mobile optimizations, case escalation, knowledge-based question and answers, e-commerce, Salesforce automation, personal member scoring, data sharing, and etc. There isn't three important reasons to use Salesforce Community. The first is to make the better customer relationships. The online hubs may be populated with frequently answered questions tutorials that are built within a community cloud. You will be able to also add tutorials, searchable databases or questions and answers and lots of other things from where one customer can interact with other customers of your organizations. When these various resources are combined, then a content-rich hub for the purchasers is often created through which the users can share their own experiences and find useful information. The purchasers may also get a friendly response from a customer representative through a forum thread. Second thing is to determine a trusted customer or partner to avoid the wasting money. An excellent relationships between customer and partner and a big time dedication could also be required. Through a community cloud, the price and the time required to keep up customers' relationships are often reduced up to an excellent content. The last one is, and the third is, product improvement. Through the Community Cloud, you will create three forms of communities: a customer, a partner, or employee community. These communities can act as a robust research hub. By properly collecting communicating data and observing them, you will be able to get the foremost meaningful and uncommon data of your customer, employees, and partners. You can provide and highlight the new features of your product or the services which can be required for your customer. They will also access the answer of most asked and required questions. So guys, that's all for now. If you are looking for a Salesforce consulting services, check Pixel Apps. The link is in the description.